It's me. I'm Nova. I'm back. Today's hairstyle is a front twist into a front side of ponytail. That's what it looks like. Stay tuned. I'll show you how to do it.
This style is a really fast one, and once you have the hair prepped, it honestly only takes 3 to 5 minutes to do. I'm just brushing through her hair to make sure it's free of tangles and it is a little damp up front. I'm going to make a deep right side part above the middle of her right eyebrow, and then another part at the back of the crown to back behind the ear. This is going to make our front side ponytail. I'm just bringing it back to the corner, adding spray gel and water, and then combing it through so that I get a nice hold up front. And then I smooth down the hair back behind the ponytail so that I won't get flyaways into the ponytail when I add the band into it. So I'm adding the band at the back left corner, and you'll see where I've parted it back behind the ear. This other area is going to make up our twist, so I'm just getting it a little bit wet and then combing it down to the side. The width of this is going to be about the width of your thumb, or about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So I'm coming to the back of the crown so it is even with the side ponytail. And then I'm going to clip this out of the way just for a moment. I want the rest of her hair out of the way so that I don't accidentally incorporate it into the twist. So I'm loosely securing the rest of her hair into a ponytail for now. We'll take that out later. So to do the twist, I'm using a little bit of product and water. It's going to be a lot easier if the hair is damp or wet to get a really neat looking twist. So I'm taking a really small section up to the front, and then I'm going to keep my fingers really close to her scalp while I twist. And each time I twist the hair around, I'm going to add some hair from either side. So you'll see that I'll twist, and then I'll add some hair from the outside, and then as I twist again, I'm kind of pushing the hair underneath and I continue twisting. Now it's really important that the hair is tangle free while you're doing this, otherwise you won't get the right look, and you want to come directly back and make sure that you're staying in a straight line. So I'm going to continue twisting, adding hair from both sides. Once I run out of hair to add, I'm just going to comb out the tail to make sure that it is free of tangles, and I'm going to continue just twisting the hair the direction that I was before. Now I'm twisting it towards the side ponytail. If you twist it away, it's not going to give the same effect. So I was twisting it to the left. I'm going to add it to the ponytail, and then we will take the back area out, and I'm simply going to comb it. And that's it. This is a really fast and simple style. It's so cute, and it adds a little bit of interest to a half up style. I'm just going to add a bow and then give you one more look at the finished style.
That's it for us today. Thank you for watching. Bye.